Hi everyone, this is Evie. I'm here with another pour. Okay, so I'm going to do a tree ring pour today. I have some paint in this. This is basically from another pour I did. I think it's got yellow, orange, blue, green, stuff like that. So I'm just going to add more of those colors in it. So I've got this turquoisey color. It should already be in there, but we'll add it. This greenish color. Okay. This color that's basically yellow and orange together. Put it right there. And then this green color. All right. So let's do our ribbon pour. Basically pour it slow and in a circular, and I've already messed up. Slow and in a, oh gosh, it's not, okay, here we go. And this is not slow, nor is it in a circular motion. Great. Well, let's see what happened. Okay, let's. I think these colors are too similar. Oh, this would be a great background. That's what this would be good for. A background for something. Ooh, and I don't have my heat source handy, so it's not going to be heated. So the cells we get are the cells we get without any heat. Okay, ooh, and we're getting tons of cells. And there is some silicone in here. I'm trying to get the edges. So this is what we end up with. Very uniform color. This weird greenish color. And because I think I have way too much silicone, we're seeing a lot of the canvas showing up. You know what, I should have covered the canvas with something first. That way with all the holes showing up. Whoa, that is a huge hole in the center. Lesson learned, next time cover the canvas with something first. And that would peek through all the... This is a great background. This is a background pour. Okay, so, and I'm still getting holes. Okay. You know what? Okay, I'm scrapping this. Time to start over. This one did not work out. Okay, let's start over. Let's open up a brand new canvas. Brand new canvas. Let's remove this one. New canvas. Start all over. Okay, so let's cover the canvas in. What color shall we cover it with? What color have I? Ooh, what color do I want to poke through? Yellow. Yellow would be an awesome color to poke through. And this has absolutely no silicone in it. It's just Floetrol and paint and water. So let's get the canvas covered. That way, whatever I put on here with Floetrol maybe the yellow will peek through. Okay, let's do this. Let's get this canvas covered. This is covering really well. As you can see, no spots because there is no silicone in this. So hopefully it'll cover the canvas really well. Excellent. Okay. Looking good. Okay, now let's get some more paint. So this is good. This is full of silicone. It's got yellow, orange. This is all gone. So let's make like a little green colored. Put some yellow in there. And a touch of blue. We'll mix that up, see if we can get a green. A light green. Yeah, there we go. Light green. Woohoo. Okay. Now we'll put a touch of silicone in there. Great. So we got yellow, orange, we got light green. Oh, we should put a dark color in there. Okay, so I've got this green blue color, which I believe is what made this color. So I'm going to put some in there. Okay. With some white. Okay. Mix it together. We end up with this color. Great. And we'll also throw some silicone in there too. Where is my silicone? There it is. Bam. Okay. Where's my mixer? It's right here. Okay, so we've got, what other color shall I use? Hey, how about the lavender color? How about a lavender color? So I need a clean cup, and we've got some violet. Okay. And we've got some, where's my white? White. Okay. Mix that together. I need a clean stirring stick. This is somewhat clean. Mix that together, and we have this color. Excellent. And we'll throw some silicone in there. There we go. Okay, so let's go ahead and do my cup. What was I gonna do? I was gonna do a tree ring. Right? Okay, so let's start off with this yellow orange. Okay. And then we'll put in some of this greenish color. Okay, I'm not sure how these colors are going to go together. Then we'll put on this turquoisey color. Last but not least, we'll put on this lavendery color. Ooh, I have no idea what this is going to look like. And then we'll put some of this orangey color in too. Alright, so let's start off. Okay, I will bend it like this. Start off slow and try to do a circular motion. Oh, it's not. This isn't working. Why isn't this working? Why can I not get this cup to give me a circular motion? It's just, there we go. Yeah, kind of circular. Not really circular, but kind of. Okay. Wow, interesting colors. So let's kind of tilt it a little. Not too much. I don't want to lose too much of the paint. It's an interesting set of colors. I don't know if I want any of the yellow to show through though. I don't think the yellow really goes with it. Maybe. Okay, so this is what we have. Give it time and maybe we'll get some cells. Interesting colors. Okay, that's much better than we started off with.